Hello and welcome back. Till now, you have learned a lot about gold. Now, we will talk about gold measurements. Gold measurements can be a bit confusing. The weight of gold is measured in troy ounces, but its purity or fineness has been measured in a few different ways: parts fine, percent gold, and carats. A major point of confusion is between carat, which is a measure of weight for precious stone, and carat, which is a purity measure for gold. The terms are used distinctly even they have the same derivation. Now, what is specific gravity? When we go out in the summer to enjoy the pools and the rivers, we always have to make sure that all our equipment and safety measures are working and in place. When we go out to the river and get on our boats, we make sure the boat has no leaks and we have our safety vest on. For young children who are still learning how to swim, we make sure they have their floaters on, or we swim with them in a swim ring to make sure they do not sink. Why is it that boats and swim rings both float? There are many factors that determine if an object will sink or float in water, and one of these factors is what we call specific gravity. The specific gravity is the ratio between the density of an object and a reference substance. Usually, a reference is water, which always has a density of 1 gram per milliliter or 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Every metal has a specific density that can be calculated when submerged in water. This is a great tool to double check the gold and silver you are buying if they are real deal. Unfortunately, counterfeits are on the rise and they are made exceptionally well. Specific gravity is one way to verify that you aren't purchasing a counterfeit. Formula of specific gravity equals to density of object divided by density of water. Now, let's talk about some of the things one should look in jewelry. Color of the article, any discoloration due to oxidation. Look out for peeling effect by plating over a period of time. Feeling the heft or weight and later determine the weight of the article by weighing, preferably on an electronic machine. Look for excessive shoulder and open joint using 10x eyeglass or loop. Look for inclusions in hollow area with shellac or other base metals. At the end, we will talk about some points about the gold jewelry. Normally, freshly prepared jewelry looks new, so there is no reason to look under the skin. Pure gold in olden days, they used to bite and see if teeth marks were visible on the gold. Enameled polki jewelry used rough uncut diamonds or glass are excluded for evaluation and appraisal purpose because it contains shellac inside. The net weight of gold can only be guessed and not arrived at empirically using formula. Jewelry having unnecessary hollow areas which contain gold are suspect, as they have deep area inside the frame of the actual jewelry piece, which are likely to be made of base metal or pure silver. So, this was all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.